So today I'm going to be using a program called Shaper, and it's used to make surfboards. And the proper way to do this would be to make your dimensions in the shape of the board, and then after you're finished, you would hook it up to a special machine they have in factories to get the exact measurements. But this is mainly just to get started in case you want to make an outline of your board and make one on your own. And so to get started, you should file for new, and then they have many different sizes of boards, but today I'm just going to be using a 6/8 board, and I'll just discard my old board. And so this is the shape of the board, and just the scale, and I like to keep my measurements in feet decimal style. It's easier to read that way, and you can change the measurements to any way your preference. And so down here, you can see the measurements of the board as it is now, and these are all to scale. So right here, the width is measured at the center, so it's 19 inches. And if I wanted to change that, I'd go here, and I'm just going to keep it to 16 inches. And you see that it changed. And now these are meant for changing the shape of the board. The yellow ones are not counteractive to the red ones, and the blue ones change where you want to put that. And if I don't like the shape of that, I can hit the redo or undo button right up here, and I'm just going to put it back to how it was originally. And now if I don't like what area these cover, all I have to do is go up to add point, click on it, and then click on anywhere on the board on the bottom right here, which is mainly where your measurements are changed. And now see, I have a broader spectrum of ability to change that. And right up here is the zoom and unzoom button, and click here on the zoom, and you just click and drag to the point you want to zoom at. And if you're done, and these make it more so you have minor adjustments. If it's unzoom like this, it'll be larger. And these directional keys will change where the board is placed on the screen. And to put it back, I can just hit that zoom. Now these buttons up here are just like pretty much just a broader zoom, and put it back, hit unzoom. And then slices it shows if I were looking at it from like the side, from the bottom to the top, this is what it would look like. And right here I can change the shape of how I want that to look like. But I like it the way it was. Leave it at that. And right here I can see, and the top is right here along the top of the board if I was looking from the side. And then I can change the shape of that, and I like the way it was, so I'm going to undo. And then the bottom is right here. And so what the bay is a 3D program that allows you to look at the shape of your board and how it will look if you were holding it. Of course, it's not the actual size, but it gets you an idea of what it would look like after you're finished. Now, board info. Right here you can change anything right here. You can add what you want to say about your board. I don't have anything to say about this one. So, the designer, this guy right here, and the surfer, same guy. So, if I'm done and everything, I can go to save, say as, and then to print it, I print out the outline. If I was ready to trace it anywhere, but now I can import it, import anything I need to, or export this. Now I like to do the outline. I never use a profile because the outline shows like the exact shape and size of the board. And here you can view what you've been working on lately. That is all you really need to know to work this program.